Hi everyone, I am Lakshman. Today I want to show you something really cool. It's nothing but traffic intelligence. It is like having a crystal ball for traffic. You know how frustrating it is when you are stuck in unexpected traffic. Well, what if we could predict how busy the roads will be before you even leave your house? That's exactly what our project does. Traffic intelligence is a smart web application that looks at the weather and the time, then tells you how many cars will be there on the road. It is like weather forecast, but not for the traffic. But not for the weather, but for the traffic. Okay, sorry for that. Uh, Let me paint you a picture of the problem we face every day. Mainly, the traffic managers can only predict after problem happens. Uh, they can't see into the future. Nobody really thinks about how rain or snow affects traffic until they are stuck in it. And city planners make decisions based on old data, not what's happening right now. So we thought there has to be a better way. Why can't we predict traffic like we predict weather? So our solution is like using different types of parameters from the user and takes the real parameters from the user, and it tries to predict the how many vehicles are there on the road at the time provided by the user. So you need to tell it what's the weather like, whether it is hot, cold, or rainy or snow, what time and date it is, and boom, it tells you exactly how many cars will be on the road. It is like having a traffic expert who never sleeps, never gets tired, and is always ready to help you make better decisions about when to travel and how to manage traffic. And let us see what I have built. Here you can see this is our main folder called Traffic Intelligence. Inside it, we have some folders like app. Inside the app, there are some templates like home.html file. This is the main file, landing page, and coming to the next.html file. This is connected with the home.html file, and coming to the app.py. This is our main file for. This is the Flask. I have used the Flask. Uh, these are some type of packages that I imported, like pickle, JSON, some others. And here you can see there are some pickle modules, and I imported and I have loaded using the pickle module, and it gets rendered the home.html file first, and later it gets uh, routed to the index.html file, and later the prediction takes place based on the inputs given by the user. Like these are some issues, and these are some type of inputs, date inputs, and here you can see the prediction takes place. The data frame gets created, and input adding cell columns and something else, and exception is also gets handled. That's all there in our app.py file, and this is our data set, and here you can see clearly. And this is actually a CSV file having the different types of features like holiday, temperature, rain, snow, weather, date, and time. This is the final traffic volume. This is the target variable that we need to predict. Actually, this is an regression problem. There are some JSON files also there, like calls.json. These are the columns that are generated in the running of our notebook, Jupyter notebook. And this is the model.info having the best model names like XGBoost, and based on the inputs gets generated by the Jupyter, this gets updated. This file gets updated, and these are some types of future not pickle files that gets generated after running the notebook. This is the Jupyter notebook. Here you can see these are some types of packages that I have imported, and here you can see I created a data frame using the pandas. Next, I have done missing values, handle the missing values, and some data visualization also there. And I have done the future engineering part, and some I have dropped the original columns that are seems to be unused, not useful for us, and encoded the categorical variables properly, and saved the column names, and later saved the columns.json file. and this is the condension file. Later I have done the train test split 0 0.2, that is 20% for the testing, and these are the models for our uh, prediction. I have trained the models and gets the output like linear regression. I have auto score of zero point 0.1, and here you can see these are the training set performance, and this is the test set performance. Here the best model is XGBoost compared with other models, and it is having the R square equal to 0 0.8, and test root mean square error is equal to 794, and the pickle model gets dumped uh, using the name as best model.pickle. It gets used in our app.py file, and let us try to run our project. uh, Let us open the terminal and try to open our app folder. Inside the app folder we have the python file. Let us try to run it, python.app.py, and here you can see it is running. Let us try to click on the, where is the link, uh, and let us click on this localhost server. And this is our landing page HTML file. These are some types of features. These are the features, power and real-time analytics and determinant. And let us try to click start prediction, and it takes us to the index.html file, and these are some types of import forms that we need to do the input. So let us use some input values. Anyway, see, let the temperature be 24 and rainy. It is raining, snowy, be snowy, and snowy, snowy, and let the year be 2023, the month be 2021, year be 21, just let me 24, 21, 46, straight break the point. And here can see there are 1684 vehicles at the parameters given by us. Let's try to predict with other parameters. Already be memory will be okay. Press B67. No, not like that. B67 is not running. No, it's good. 21, 54, 136, maybe 130. Let us click on quick mail current time. Set the traffic. You can see the internet volume is 810. By using the internet given by us. And that's all. This is the way how our project works, how our model works for predicting the values. And it is accurately predicting the values. There are some future information also there using the weather APIs, and connect to live weather updates automatically, and create phone app so that everybody can check weather anyway, and show traffic history as well. And thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I would love to answer them.